Hi, this is Pierre-Yves Delacote working at Planet Technologies. I don't know if you're like me, but you can have nervous breakdown with teams, especially when you have a lot of teams, because um, it's hard to navigate in all those teams. So I wanted to share a few tips to avoid you to have a nervous breakdown with teams. So the first one is how do you list all your teams? So either you can, browse, scroll down your teams, or you can click on this icon and then you can see all your teams. As you can see, I have 54 teams, and if you want to hide some of them because you're not using them anymore, you just need to click on the one you want to hide. For example, I don't know, um, I can show it or I can hide it. So pretty quickly you can navigate here all your teams, um, or you can search them. You can search one, you can't find it because it's somewhere in all the teams that you have, and you just have to type the name of your team. So for example, I want to narrow down, and here I have my team pretty easily. So that's one way to do it. Unfortunately, when you do that, for example, um, let's go here in this one, you go into the team, but it doesn't scroll here. So that's something I hope they will change, because if you want to see other channels than the general one, that will be a good thing to do. But what I really struggle the most with is when I'm invited to a new team. That was the case. I was invited to a new team, this one, and when I want to put it on top, because here it's a new project for me, so I need to drag and drop. But since it doesn't go to the top, I cannot drag and drop it to the top. So I even don't know where I drag it, quite frankly. Um, this is a this can be a nightmare. So instead of doing that, I'm gonna put it back down. I don't even know where it is. Um, so here it is. So let's put it back. Okay. What you can do, and I like this feature, is you can select your team and use your keyboard, and you use Control Shift up, and you're gonna see what happens here. Control Shift up, and I click, and this is way faster, and I can move like that my my team exactly where I want. I'm not polluted with the channels opened, so I put it exactly where I want. That's where I want it, and it's really easier than drag and dropping. So hope this tip is useful for you. Please share with others.